Hello everyone, I am back with the new video. Today we will discuss about the integumentary system. Integumentary system is our body's outer layer. It consists of your skin, hair, nails and the glands. These organs and structure are your first line of defense against the bacteria and help to protect you from injury as well as sunlight. Our integumentary system works with other system in our body to keep it in the balance. Let's talk about the what are the parts of the integumentary system. Our integumentary system is an organ that consists of a few main structure, that is skin, nails, hair and glands, along with the nerves as well as blood vessels that support them. First is skin. Our skin is the largest and heaviest organ in our body. It weighs about 6 pounds or more and is approximately 2 millimeters thick. Thinner on sensitive areas like eyelids and thicker or surface that take more stress like the soles of your feet. 1 inch of our skin contains nearly 90 million cells. Our skin is composed of 3 layers with nerves that recognize different sensation in each layer. That first layer is epidermis layer. It is the top layer of our skin. This is the part of our skin that you can see and touch. It is made up of 3 types of cells, that is melanocytes, keratinocytes and Langerhans cells. It gives your skin its color and provides waterproof barrier. The next layer is dermis layer. This is the middle layer of our skin. This layer is the thickest. It contains sweat and oil glands and as well as hair follicles. The next layer is hypodermis. It is the last layer, the bottom layer of our skin. It is the fatty layer of our skin that helps to insulate our body. The next part is nails. Our nails protects the end of our finger and toes. The anatomy of our nail is as follows. First one is nail plate. It is the hardest part of our nail. And then next is nail bed. It is the skin under your nail plate. Then next is cuticle. The cuticle is the thin skin at the base of our nail plate. Then next is matrix, the root of our nail responsible for making it grow. Then next is lunula, the white moon shaped part of our nail plate. Then next is we will talk about the hair. Our hair does more than help us look nice. The hair on our head help keep fit in our body. Your eyelashes and eyebrows help to protect our eyes from dirt and water. Our hair is made up of protein, that protein is called keratin. Our hair consists of 3 parts, the shaft, the follicles and bulb. Hair shaft, the part of our hair you can see, touch and as well as tie. The next is hair follicles. It is a tube-like structure that keeps our hair in our skin. The next is hair bulb, located under our skin and responsible for hair growth. Goosebumps are caused by our integumentary system. We all have hair erector muscle that connect to our hair follicles and skin. When it contracts, it makes our hair stand up. The goosebumps are what we see when these tiny muscles can be contract. Then next we will talk about the glands. Glands are found throughout our skin. They release materials like water, salt or other from under your skin. to the surface. Uh, our integumentary system consists the following glands like pseudoferous glands. These are the glands that secrete the sweats through our skin. These are two types of glands, uh, eccrine glands and apocrine glands. Eccrine glands are all over our body and open to our pores, while apocrine glands open into your hair follicles. Sebaceous glands. These glands produce sebum oil and give your face its oily. Uh, Ceremunous glands. These are the glands in your ear that secrete air wax. Then next is mammillary glands. These are the glands on person chest in people assigned female at birth. Mammillary glands produce milk after giving birth. Our integumentary system protects our body from the infection and injuries you we could get from protection from the external environment. It is our body's coat of armor and the first line of defense against the viruses, bacteria, and other microbes. It shields our body from harmful light and helps regulate our body temperature. Our integumentary system stores the fat, water, glucose, as well as vitamin D and helps to support our immune system. Then next we will talk about the what are the important function. Uh, Integumentary system provides the physical protection against the bacteria and as well as germs, absorb and help in the heal abrasions, cuts and other injuries. Then cushion and protects our body from the infection, protects from the sun, UV rays and sunburn, and excrete the sebum, sweat and other waste from our body. Then regulate our body temperature and allows you to stay cool, helps you feel heat, cold and detect other sensation. Synthesize vitamin D. Our body is like a complex machine. All of our organ, body parts and system work together to keep everything in check and working it should. Our integumentary system plays a role in helping other to maintain their function. Like example, it helps our immune system because it is the first line of defense against the bacteria and infection. It is also sends white blood cell, that is WBCs, to injuries to begin the healing process. This system helps you absorb vitamin D, which act as a hormone and play a crucial role in bone health because it affects the calcium absorption. The tiny hairs in your nose help your respiratory system because they filter out dust and other particles before you inhale them into your lungs. Then next we will talk about the disease regarding about the integumentary system. In that one, the first disease is skin disorder. Some of the most common skin disorders are like allergies, like contact dermatitis and poison, IVI rashes, blisters from trauma, big bug bites such as spider bites, tick bites, and mosquito bites, skin cancer including melanoma, skin infection like cellulitis. Then next, skin rashes and dry skin disorders like acne, uh, vitiligo. Then next, skin lesions like moles, freckles, and skin tags, wounds, burns, including sunburn and scars. Then next, we will talk about the hair disorders. Hair is a Hair loss is the most common condition that affects your hair. Some types of hair loss are temporary while the others are permanent. The most common types of hair loss include alopecia areata. In this condition, patches of hair loss caused by an autoimmune disease. The next is androgenic alopecia, baldness in both gender sexes, that's based on genetics. The next is angin effluvium. In this condition, loss of hair during its growth phase. Then medical treatments like chemotherapy is used in the anagen effluvium. The next is telogen effluvium, loss of hair during the rest phase. It is typically show up few months after your body goes through the something stressful or hormonal changes. Then next is traumatic alopecia, hair loss due to the damage to your skin of scalp from hairstyling through the rubbing your scalp repeatedly against a surface or hat, or by playing with and breaking your hair. Other common condition of hair that aren't related to the hair loss: dandruff. It causes white or yellow flags on your scalp and hairy shaft. It also known as a seborrheic dermatitis. Head lice, tiny crawling insect that live in a person head hair. The next is hairistism, excessive hair growth in people assigned female at birth. Then next we will talk about the nail disorders. Like the other structure of our integumentary system, our nails always exposed. Nail issue can be caused by our shoes, poor hygiene, or using nail files or trimmers incorrectly. Sometimes uh, nail condition like onychomycosis, nail fungus in our fingernails and toenails. Then next is oncholysis. In this condition your nails separate from the nail bed. Then next is psoriasis of the nails, a skin condition that causes pitting, nail discoloration, and other symptoms like lichen planus, a rash that appears as a ridges or grows on your nails. Parenchyma, an inflammation of infection of the tissue directly surrounding your nail. Then next we will talk about the gland disorder. Some conditions of the sweat and sebaceous glands are uh, hyperhidrosis, excessive sweating, uh, seborrheic dermatitis, scaly red patches that affects your face, chest, or back. When it's your head, it's called dandruff. Sebaceous hyperplasia, a skin condition common in people who are older that cause small yellow bumps on your skin. Note for this is all about the integumentary system and its disorders. Thank you.